Many things these people don't know about who we are, what we eat, what we dress, what our sentiments are. So till the time we don't get it, well, you're not going to get any free lunches. So I think the leaders need to realize, it hurts me when leaders come from Delhi and our women are dancing, we're giving them shawls, we are giving them. When is the last time I went to Delhi or I went to Rajasthan and their women were dancing in front of me and they were giving us shawls? No. So we should not give them any free lunches. If you want to give us respect, if you want respect from us, you have to give us respect. And yes, personal integrity is very important. Because if you are inherently weak, corrupt, then what will happen is they will take this advantage, send ED, send CBI, try to intimidate you, say you will go to jail. The moment they know you have a weakness, they will take advantage. So personal integrity and moral character has to be very strong. And it is not very difficult because we don't need too much money, but what we need is respect, and we need to ensure that our people get what they want. Our people have suffered for too long, and if we want our people to prosper, if we want our next generation to prosper, the road today may be more difficult, but tomorrow our next generation will be much more successful.